All right, today I want to demonstrate the single side cable rear lateral fly. Bit of a mouthful, I know. Your typical cable fly, reverse cable fly, where you target the rear delts, is that sort of movement where we do a bit of a crossover, create a bit of stretch, elongation, and out. Soft elbow without an elbow joint movement. Same thing applies to a single side, only there's a lot more instability and you can get pulled in due to the fact that you are single sided. There's no balance. So you don't need a handle for this one because we want to keep our knuckles remaining perfectly up, okay, horizontal to the ground. So if the cable machine has a rubber or plastic ball, use that as your gripping point. You can alternatively put a rope connection on there, extend the rope out and use that as well. So I'm going to make sure that I've got secure position first. Anchor yourself, because naturally with weight the way it is, you'll get pulled in and away and then you'll be off balance. We want chest nice and high and we want the movement to be, think of where the shoulder is, so you want to move across that plane. Now this is probably a tad low, so therefore we set the pulley up shoulder height and we want to move across that plane and utilise that shoulder. If we're too high, we're up here, too low, down there. All right, so get a good grip first and foremost. Appropriate weight, chest up, and then drive out and keep that movement nice and horizontal while maintaining your knuckles up. A lot of people I see when they do it, they'll rotate and push that way because it's easier and more comfortable. No, we want to make sure that we have complete engagement of the rear delt the entire time, and you'll notice that my elbow joint does not move. I'm not trying to extend and do it. I see this all the time where you do a tricep extension. We're rotating through this point, not this point. So it's important to understand that and understand your body and what you're connecting to when you do that movement. Okay? Single-sided rear delt fly on the cable machine, very effective, great in terms of developing one side over the other, because when you do two, you can obviously compensate for one and utilize one a little bit more. When you do one, that's the only one that's working. So give that one a go on shoulder day. I'm sure you will enjoy it.